Hey you guys, what's up? So today I want to share with you guys a box that was sent to me by Profusion Cosmetics. We will also be doing a makeup tutorial using some of the products inside. So if you'd like to see how I got this look on my eyes, as well as what's inside the box, then just stay tuned. I didn't wear any lashes for this video because I wasn't feeling well, but if you'd like to see the finished look with lashes, head over to my Instagram. Okay, so the first thing that they sent to me is the Profusion Cosmetics collaboration with Mean Girls, and this is the 4 for Glen Coco 4-piece shadow quad set. This is so super cute. It has 4 quad eyeshadow palettes inside, and each of them are inspired by the characters themselves from Mean Girls. So we've got the Regina George palette, we've got the Karen Smith palette, Gretchen Wiener's palette, and the Katie Heron palette. This would make the perfect Christmas gift for someone who enjoys this movie as much as I do. Next, we have the Profusion Cosmetics collaboration with Mean Girls Candy Graham Complete Makeup Set. And inside this complete makeup set, you've got your shadows. We've got a liner, and it's so cute. It's called the Gruel Eyeliner Pencil. We've got a loose glitter up here called Teen Royalty. We have a Full of Secrets lengthening mascara, a glitter adhesive, as well as some face gems. And I am wearing this palette on my eyes today. Next, they sent over the Glitter Brows Sparkling Brow Gel, and I am wearing this in my brows today. I love how it has this little hook or this little hanger, so you can hang it on a tree for a gift, or it also makes the perfect stocking stuffer. And last but not least, they sent over all 4 of their Lolly Gloss 2-in-1 Balm and Lip Gloss, and these are all candy scented. These are so super cute. As you can tell, they look like a little lollipop. And you just unscrew the top here. There's your gloss. And you open it up right here, and there's your lip balm. Super, super cute, and I do have this on my lips today. I do have a code with Profusion Cosmetics if you want to save 20% off on some Christmas gifts or something for yourself. The code is down in the description box below. But without further ado, let's jump into the makeup tutorial. All right, so I'm taking the shade Santa's Helpers, and I'm just applying that into my crease area and blending that upwards. Next, I'm taking the shade Don't Look at Me, and I'm just kind of blending that out further and highlighting the brow bone. And then I'm taking a little bit of Nose Job and just kind of blending that in between those 2 colors. Taking the shade Boombox, I'm applying this right into the crease to create some depth. And here's where it starts to get really fun. I'm taking Candy Graham and placing that towards the back of my lid area. This is a really pretty shimmer that reflected back greens, golds, and some pinks in certain light. Now taking Happy Holidays, which is this beautiful pink glitter in the palette, I'm just placing that towards the front of the eye. And then we're taking that Teen Royalty loose glitter. It's so gorgeous, and I'm placing that into the inner corner. Lining the outer portion of my waterline with the Gruel Eyeliner Pencil, and then I'm going to use those same shades to kind of buff it all out. Now I'm going in with Switch and On Your Left and placing those towards the front of the lower lash line area. And then we're going to use the mascara that came inside this kit, as well as that glitter brow gel, and that's the final look. Well, that is it, you guys. I just want to say a big thank you to Profusion Cosmetics for sending me all of these products to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.